Re go amogela mogaetso mo dikganyeng tsa Soweto TV re lebogela gore bo santse le rona leina la me ke Katlego Mosielele yo go tlisetsang dikgang tsa metshameko. Fa re di simolola ka metshameko ya tsa Golofo, Altin Van Der Merwe ke mofenyi wa kgaisano ya SDC Open e ne tshamekela ka kwa Zebula Golf Estate mo bokhutlong jwa beke jo re tswa mo go bone. Tonder o mo maemong a ntlha a dipalopalo tsa Sunshine Tour Order of Merit tse e leng gore di badilwe mo bokhutlong jwa beke jo re tswa mo go bone. Tonder a ile a ka kwa makgaola kganyeng ka ntlha ya go ka nosa shoto dile 7 pele ga Altin Van Der Merwe yo neng a leka go ka mofenya mo kgaisanong yewa mo motshamekong owa. Fa ne a tshameka mo motshamekong o na eme go 18 under par mme Tonder o nositse par e neng ya dira gore e ne le matla thata mme ya dira gore a kgone go ka fenya Van Der Merwe ka Double Bogey Seven mo motshamekong owa. Phenyo eno ke ya bo 12 ya ga Tonder fa e sale a tshameka metshameko ya Golofo ya professionale. Mo go tsa kgwele dinao setlhopha sa Olrando Pirates se fentse setlhopha sa Richards Bay ka dino di le 3-1 mo kgaisanong ya Nedbank Cup go ka sutlela ka kwa ditlhopheng di le 16 tse di tlileng go ka tshameka. Setlhopha sa Olrando Pirates se batla go ka sireletsa sejana sa Nedbank Cup jaaka ba se fentse mo setlheng se se fetileng.
Tough match. It's not a surprise. We've been here already many times together, and we know what it means to play Richards Bay here in the home ground, and the difficulties to have a good game here, especially when the weather is dry, it's not raining. This gate is a very tricky one. And
sorry about that, coach.
No problem. I think we managed to have a really good first half. But anyway, a good lead in the halftime. We didn't start well the second half. They start much better than us. They managed to reduce that advantage, and I think we have a really difficult second half with the wind against, a little bit of fatigue in our boys in the beginning of the second period, but we fought.
Mo go tsa cricket setlhopha sa Joburg Super Kings se fentse setlhopha sa Sunrisers Eastern Cape ka di-weekend di le 9 mo kgaisanong ya BetA SA20 ka kwa DP World Wanderers. Lutho Siphamla ga mmogo le Huddersfield June ba tshamekile bontle thata go ka thusa setlhopha sa Joburg Super Kings go ka fenya motshameko o wa tla re lebele dintlhagolo tsa motshameko.
I think everyone in the team is of sort of standard. Like you say, we have players who know their games, players who've been playing for a long time. And I'm just really happy to see Huddersfield perform and see all the other bowlers perform. I mean, Don was performing in the first leg of the tournament and taking wickets. And the only I can do is to encourage and be happy for that, because that's what I'm looking for as well in a tournament if it happens in my case. So it's nice playing against people who are showcasing their talents and showcasing their skills and being disciplined in what they're doing, and it's making it easier for all of us to follow suit and to keep yourself in check and know that everyone is pulling their weight. So that's all we're trying to do. We're trying to work as a unit. I think it's bigger than looking at our individual performances. It's especially as a bowling unit. I think when everyone's bowling well together, when the one end is closed up, the other end needs to be closed up. So that allows the game to move forward and allows us and gives us the best opportunity to be on the front foot of the game. So I'm always happy to see other guys do well. I'm always happy and trying to learn from each and every single one, because everyone has a different skill set. So feeding off one another, talking to one another on the field has been very good. The communication has been high amongst the bowlers, amongst each other. So that's what's helping a lot at the moment. And the camp is, in the bowling unit side of things, all we're just trying to do is be present and try.
Fa re konosetsa ka tsa tenese, Jannik Sinner offense Alexander Zverev go ka fenya kgaisano ya Australian Open mo go ka fetoga gape go nna mo Italia wa ntlha go ka fenya Grand Slam di le 3. Sinner wa dingwaga di le 23 offense ka 6-3, 7-6, 6-3 mo motshameko yo no tshamekela ka kwa Rod Laver Arena.
Well, it was an amazing performance from my side. Felt like I was, in the beginning of the match, I was serving really well and trying to get into the zone very fast. It was a very high quality match from my side. Second set, got a bit lucky, in the tie break as we saw, but All things considered, amazing run again here in Australia. I'm extremely happy, and sharing this with the team here and family and the people I love. It's amazing. I felt like how I entered the court, trying to be quite aggressive in the beginning. This gave me then the confidence that I feel today the ball in a certain way, and when you get up one set, this gives you the confidence. As I said, I had the chances in the second set with a couple of break points. He always served very well there. But it's trying to stay always there mentally, trying to play every point in the best possible way, and also, as I said, tiebreak, got a bit lucky there. But how I handled every situation on the court, not only today in the final but in general, was very nice.
Di fela fa ba gaetso tsa metshameko mme tla re lebelele gore maemo a bosa a eme ka tsela ntseng jang.
Khumbula uluvo lakho lubalulekile kuthi ngoke ungasithumela umyalezo ku news@sowetotv.co.za okanye usenokunxibelelana nathi kumaqonga onxibelelwano iinkcukacha nazi ezantsi kanti ke sinalo neqonga le-WhatsApp. Kodwa kwangoku ube ngomntu awucika umlilo kamnandi.